Did you know that even though the world produces enough food to feed everyone, 733 million people, that's 1 in every 11, go hungry every day? And with natural disasters and supply chain disruptions on the rise, food shortages can strike anywhere, anytime. In fact, over the last 5 years, the number of people experiencing hunger has increased by 152 million. That's why today, I'm going to show you how to build your own canned food survival kit, so you and your loved ones will never be caught unprepared. Welcome back to SurvivalScope, Project Homestead. Today we're diving deep into one of the most practical and reliable ways to prepare for emergencies, the canned food survival kit. Why canned food? Canned foods are shelf-stable, affordable, and packed with nutrients. They're the backbone of any solid emergency food supply, whether you're prepping for a hurricane, a power outage, or just want peace of mind in uncertain times. With the right kit, you can ensure your family has access to safe, nutritious meals, no matter what happens. In this video, I'll walk you through why canned food is essential for survival kits, the best types of canned foods to store, how to choose nutrient-dense options, smart storage and organization tips, step-by-step assembly of your kit, real stories of how these kits have made a difference, and finally, how to get started building your own today. Let's get started. Why canned food is a survival essential. Canned foods have been a prepping staple for generations, and for good reason. Long shelf life. Most canned foods last 2 to 5 years or more. Nutritional value. Canned vegetables, meats, and beans provide essential proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Ready to eat. No need for refrigeration or complicated prep, just open and enjoy, even cold if necessary. Variety. From fruits and veggies to meats, stews, and even comfort foods, canned goods offer variety to prevent food fatigue. Affordability. Stocking up is budget-friendly, especially if you watch for sales and buy in bulk. But not all canned foods are created equal. Let's talk about what you should actually include in your kit. Key components of an effective canned food survival kit. 1. Canned vegetables. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber crucial for health during stressful times. Top picks include green beans, good source of calcium, potassium, iron, and fiber. Carrots, high in vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium, and beta-carotene. Spinach, loaded with vitamin K, A, manganese, and folate. Sweet potatoes and pumpkin, rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Tomatoes, excellent for lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health. Here is a pro tip. Choose low sodium or no salt added versions to reduce your sodium intake. This is 2. Canned beans and legumes. Beans are a survival superfood high in protein, fiber, and iron. Black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, cannellini beans, all great choices. Baked beans, high in calories and carbs, great for energy. Pro tip. Canned beans can be eaten cold or heated, and they're filling and versatile. 3. Canned fruits. Fruits provide essential vitamins, especially vitamin C, and a morale boost. Pineapple, peaches, pears, and mandarin oranges. Look for fruit, packed in juice, not syrup, for better nutrition. Pumpkin also counts as a fruit and is rich in vitamin A. 4. Canned meats and fish. Protein is vital for energy, muscle maintenance, and immune function. Tuna in oil for extra calories. High in protein, omega-3, calcium, and vitamin D. Salmon, similar benefits to tuna, with more omega-3. Chunk chicken breast, lean, high protein, with a long shelf life. Roast beef and beef stew, hearty, ready to eat and filling. Spam, high in calories, protein, and fat, great for energy in survival situations. 5. Ready-to-eat meals. Meals like chili, soups, and stews offer balanced nutrition and are easy to prepare. Chili with beans, protein, fiber, and carbs all in one can. Beef stew, high in protein, versatile for mixing with other ingredients. Vegetable soup adds variety and nutrients. 6. Other essentials. Canned milk or evaporated milk for calcium and vitamin D. Canned juices for hydration and vitamin C. Staples, sugar, salt, pepper. Comfort foods, cookies, hard candy. Instant coffee or tea can boost morale during tough times. 7. Specialty items. Foods for infants, elderly, or those with special diets. Always account for allergies or dietary restrictions. Vitamins. Multivitamins help fill nutritional gaps. How to choose nutrient-dense options when selecting canned foods. Read labels. Choose options with lower sodium, less added sugar, and minimal preservatives. Look for variety. Mix protein, carbs, healthy fats, and fiber for more balanced meals. Check expiration dates. Rotate stock to keep your kit fresh. Consider calories. In survival situations, calorie-dense foods are crucial for energy. Storage tips for your canned food survival kit. Proper storage extends shelf life and keeps your food safe. Cool, dark, dry location. Basements, pantries, or closets work well. Avoid moisture and heat. These can cause cans to rust or spoil. Use airtight bins. Protects from pests and makes transport easy. Organized by type and expiration date. Use risers, baskets, or can dispensers for easy access. Label everything. Mark purchase and expiration dates for easy rotation. Keep a couple of manual can openers in your kit, essential if the power goes out. Creative storage ideas, expandable wood risers for visibility, wire baskets for grouping by type, over-the-door racks for small spaces. Clear storage bins for quick identification, can dispensers for automatic rotation. Assembling your canned food survival kit, step by step. Let's build a kit together. I'll walk you through my process, and you can follow along at home. Step 1. Assess your needs. Family size. Count how many people you're preparing for. Dietary restrictions. Note allergies, special diets, or preferences. Duration. Decide how many days or weeks you want your kit to last. At least 3 days is recommended, but 2 weeks is ideal. Step 2. Make a list. Write down all staple foods you have now, with purchase and expiration dates. Plan meals for each day, day 1 through day 14, noting where each food is stored. Factor in water needs and required equipment, can opener, utensils, etc. Step 3. Shop for your kit. Start with the essentials: canned vegetables, beans, fruits, meats, and ready-to-eat meals. Add specialty items for infants, elderly, or special diets. Include comfort foods and vitamins. Don't forget a manual can opener, disposable plates, cups, and utensils. Step 4. Organize and store. Use shelves, risers, and baskets to sort by type and expiration date. Store in a cool, dry place. Avoid garages or attics. Label bins and cans clearly. Keep your kit accessible but out of direct sunlight. Step 5. Rotate and maintain. Inspect your kit every few months. Move older cans to the front and use them first. First in, first out. Replace used items promptly to keep your kit fully stocked. Now, the value of a canned food survival kit. Let me share some real-life examples and testimonials that highlight just how valuable a canned food survival kit can be. Example number 1. Power outage preparedness. This past year, severe ice storms knocked out power in many neighborhoods for days. Grocery stores were closed and roads were impassable. Thanks to their canned food survival kits, many families had enough to eat. Nutritious meals, snacks, and even a few treats to keep spirits up. They didn't have to worry about cooking, just open cans and eat even by candlelight. Example number 2, unexpected job loss. One of our viewers once wrote in to say that after losing their job unexpectedly, their family relied on their emergency food kit for months. It helped stretch their budget and provided much-needed peace of mind during a stressful time. Example number 3, natural disaster response. After a hurricane hit a coastal town, many families found themselves cut off from supplies for over a week. Those who had prepared canned food kits were able to feed their families and even share with neighbors, becoming a lifeline for their community. These examples show that a canned food kit for survival isn't just about prepping for the end of the world. It's about being ready for life's everyday emergencies. Let's recap the most important points. Canned food is a reliable, nutritious, and affordable foundation for any survival kit. Build your kit with a variety of vegetables, beans, fruits, meats, and ready-to-eat meals. Choose nutrient-dense, low-sodium, and low-sugar options when possible. Store your kit in a cool, dry place and organize it for easy access and rotation. Regularly check and rotate your supplies to keep everything fresh. Don't forget special dietary needs, comfort foods, and a manual can opener. With a well-built canned food survival kit, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're ready for whatever comes your way, be it a storm, blackout, or unexpected crisis. Now it's your turn. Have you built your own canned food survival kit? What are your must-have items or favorite storage tips? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you and learning together as a community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to SurvivalScope, Project Homestead, and ring the bell for more practical prepping and homesteading tips. And if you know someone who could use this information, please share this video with them. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.